Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today's video unboxing will be of our official collab with Call of Duty Black Ops 4 with our ambassador MK3. Before we get into the watch details, let's check out the box. There's a lot of cool features on it. So first of all, you got this really cool sturdy box. It's got an embossed Call of Duty Black Ops 4 with the orange shield, of course, and it's got a really nice feel to it. Even on the back, guys, it does have the Treyarch logo as well as the Activision and the disclaimer. So this is an official collab with Meister watches. So even the box is really cool, guys. If you're into cool details and things like that, the box is definitely something cool to look at and have. Another cool detail on the box is the magnet that allows it to open and close very easy, guys. So you can see that snaps into, locks it in. Let's get into more of the details of the box. So right away you open it and you see this Call of Duty embossed hit with the orange shield. It's also got a really cool quote that says, "Synchronized watches, we're going hot. Whether you're on the sticks or the street, this is a tactical timepiece that sets you apart from the competition." Okay, let's remove this insert and see what's behind it. So you have this MSTR card that is the instruction manual for the ambassador MK3, and this is how to set your watch. Let's get into some of the details of the watch. So taking it out the box right away, guys, you see this really cool black polished case. Normally we don't do a black polished case, but this was a really good time to introduce that. You can see that shine on it, and it's got the Call of Duty Black Ops 4 orange traditional hits on it as well. You can see the shield and the carbon fiber. So a lot of details from both sides, from Call of Duty and us, that we tied into the watch to bring you this really cool limited edition Ambassador MK3. So I love the weight of this watch. It's got a great feel to it. It's NASA grade 316 stainless steel. Another nice feature that I love is the Meister engraved on it, as well as our M Tradition logo on the crown. Another cool feature is our 8 hexagon bolts, as well as the cuts on the bezel. That's unique to our Ambassador MK3 only. The silicone band is made for maximum comfort. It's got a really cool feel to it. It's very smooth. It's very light as well. You can definitely interchange it just like this. You pop it off. You can put a leather band on, another band on our site that is featured for this model to fit. Okay, let's check out the back of the watch. So right off the bat, you see the limited edition. This is number 3. It's limited edition to 150. You see the traditional Call of Duty Black Ops 4 hit, as well as it's water resistant to 100 meters, guys. This watch features a Japanese Seiko 6-hand movement. These are the timers. This is the 24-hour clock, and this is the date window. Okay, so wrapping up this watch review, we will have a link in the description below to purchase the watch. It is selling out quick, guys. Again, it is limited to 150 pieces. If you're a Call of Duty fan, this is definitely something you want in your collection. Also, guys, if you have any questions or concerns, leave the comments below. We check them daily to answer them. Stay tuned for a lot of cool detailed shots of lifestyles and on wrists of this watch. And appreciate it, guys.